Okay, now we'll understand about the slow system performance. A slow computer feels like running through mud. Everything takes forever. Here's why it happens, and I will tell you how to fix it. First, too many programs running. It's like a crowded place, your RAM gets overloaded. Close unused tabs, check Task Manager on Windows or HTOP on Linux. Low disk space. When your hard drive is nearly full, your system struggles. Delete junk files or upgrade the storage. SSD speed things up, so try to use SSD instead of using the hard disk drive. Background updates. Here, Windows or Linux may secretly install updates eating the resources on your device. Wait it out or schedule updates for off hours. Now, malware or viruses. Hidden back software steals the power. Run an antivirus scan, Windows Defender, or a CompTIA on the Linux. Old hardware might be another reason. So aging of the RAM or CPU can't keep up. Add more RAM often helps in increase the speed of your computer. Fragmented HDDs in Windows. Here, the file gets scattered over time. Run the defragmenter, not mentioned for the SSDs. Too many startup applications. Sometimes the program that auto-launch slow boot times, visible them in setting windows or system D in Linux. Now, overheating. Overheating like dusty fans cause throttling. Clean up your laptop vents. Now, we'll understand how to fix them. It's very simple. Restart your PC, like clears the temporary clutter. On Linux, try lighter software like switch from GNOME to XFCE and reinstall your operating system if it's beyond the repair. Now, we'll understand how to figure out the solution. First, check the Task Manager for high CPU or RAM usage. Then open the Task Manager, Control-Shift+Escape to see which programs are hogging resources. If CPU or RAM is 90% plus, close greedy applications like browser with 100 tabs, etc. In Linux, use htop or top in the terminal for the same check. Second, you can disable the startup application if your system is running slow. Too many applications launching at blue boot slows down the CPU or the startup. In Windows, open for Task Manager, Startup tab, disable the unused application. On Linux, use systemctl or your desktop startup settings. Defragment HDD or to optimize the SSD. Hard disk drives run defragment and optimize drivers to recognize the scattered files as discussed. SSDs don't defrag, they use optimized TRIM to maintain the speed. And Linux does this automatically. You can even run the DISM and SFC. This Windows tool can fix corrupted system files. For that, open Command Prompt as an admin, type sfc/scan now, then dism/online/cleanup image/restore health for deeper repair. Restart after the completion of this process. Now we'll understand about the failed Windows update. Here, Windows update often fail due to common issues, but most can be fixed easily. Here why they happen, how to solve them. Common causes of update failures are like internet connection problem, where updates require stable internet. If your common connection drops, download may get corrupted. To fix, restart your router or use a wired connection. Second, low disk space. Windows need 10 to 20 GB free space to install the updates. To fix, clean the junk files via disk cleanup. Now, corrupt update files. Partial or broken download causes the error. To fix, delete the software distribution folder where Windows stores temporary update files here. Conflicting the software is another solution. Antivirus or third-party application can block the updates to fix temporarily disable the security softwares. Now, driver or system file issues. Outdated drivers or corrupted Windows files can break the updates. How to fix it? You just have to click on Run, then sfc/scan now and dism/online/cleanup image/restore health in command prompt with an admin access. Now, pending the updates that got stuck. A previous failed update may block the new ones. To fix this issue, use Windows Update Troubleshooter. For that, go to Settings, Update and Security, then on Troubleshoot. Microsoft Server Issues. Sometimes the problem is on Microsoft end. To fix, wait a few hours and retry. Here we'll also understand about the advanced fixes like manual update installation. For that, you didn't have to download the update from Microsoft Update Catalog, or else you can restart Windows Update components, use commands like download netstop bits. The full guides are also available online. However, you can also try reinstall Windows. For all these things, how we can prevent these issues? The prevention tips are mainly backup before major updates, pause updates if your system is unstable, and last, use Windows Update Assistant for stubborn cases. Most updates failures are fixable with patience and the right tools.